Alright, these things are okay. So I've got some tools here. I'm gonna drop them holes right there. See that? I'm gonna put that pin in, and I'm gonna make the cover for this. So all that's gonna be enclosed. Take it out of this part right here, and then I'm gonna put that ring on there after I clean it up a little bit, and I'm gonna forge. I gotta put a cap on this. I'm not sure exactly how I'm gonna do it, but I gotta protect it from the rain and such. So I gotta cap it out. So I'm gonna forge that up this weekend. Okay.